Le engimalema ithe isathatha inunu yethu ngokuthi ihambe ishuta engathi kunezithombe zabo nabo Cat nani nana akaphikanga futhi nalapho ne mveni uthini uthi at least mina dishuta naye wena sisibari sakho uCat Matlala. Guys, on a small serious note, kona kuyavela ne because to those abazaxa bebona izithombe bafike eshute ngemigulukudu I portray a picture right yona in as much as Shemsihleka sizama ukuthetha better indaba enunu yethu but yona nje especially those that were seriously impacted, it's not nice at all indoba abe associatewa nemigulukudu even if uzazama indlela zoba azikhiphe kuyo, it's not right at all. However, uthi xa bevala Shem kukhona apho eye wabonga khona and kukhona phexolise khona to South African inunu yethu ithe iyaxolisa ngezenzo zayo ethe yazenza okungenzeka into ba ziye zahlaba certain South Africans okanye uburonga kathe wabenza nani khona nje aphe apologize khona ke ngokwakhe ke.
There is one problem about photos. It's a serious problem. Abantu bayashuta nathi leminyango. I'm not sure whether I know one person that they take a lot of photos with is Julius, Honorable Malem, and then
I don't have a photo with Matlala, never.
Well, at least Usbaruako. So
my abilities, but I'm a human being. There would be mistakes that have been committed, and sometimes serious mistakes that they impact on the lives of other people. Maybe it's a good time to take the opportunity to say to those people that their life was impacted negatively because the action that I would have taken, sorry to them, but I was trying to do the best for my out of my ability. And I hope those that come after us, they will continue. We must all remember that the product of our work as a public representatives is a satisfaction of the people of South Africa. Just continue to work towards that.